Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohd Hazmie. We will conduct the experiment PU1, which is Voltage Sag. For the Voltage Sag performance, it will depend on the fault performance on the post transmission and the distribution system. Therefore, we need to investigate the effect of voltage sag to the primary and secondary transformer at the post distribution system. Then, we need to construct the circuit by the given in the lab manual into the Simulink MATLAB software. Okay, we put the voltage sag at the primary of the transformer, and we put a scope to observe the waveform on the primary and the secondary of the circuit. Okay, for the conclusion, after the experiment above, we can perform the analysis of the voltage sag phenomenon, and we are able to analyze the impact of the voltage sag to the power system. And for the experiment understanding, we use the MATLAB software to perform the voltage sag experiment.
Okay, for this experiment, we used to see the effect of the voltage sag to the primary side and secondary side at the transformer in a distribution system. Okay, when we run this system, we can see the voltage magnitude at primary side and then for the secondary side. After that, when the fault occur in the system, the fault occur at phase A in the system, we can see the reducing magnitude at the primary side. Same goes to the secondary side. Okay, based on our investigation, we can see the voltage sag need to be removed in our system because it can cause the damage of the power device and can affect the power quality of the system. Okay, mostly this voltage sag happen because of the bad weather. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, for question number 6, we need to perform the graph voltage sag versus resistance fault. So this is the table of data and this is the graph. As we can see from the graph, if the voltage sag increase, the resistance fault also will be increased. It can be concluded that the resistance fault affects the percentage of voltage sag. So for question number 7, we need to occur the fault at phase A and phase B with 1 ohm fault resistance. So this is the result at primary side and this is the result for the secondary side. And then for question number 8, we need to explain the relationship of voltage sag and phase shift with the primary and secondary of transformer. As we can conclude that the magnitude and phase angle shift of voltage sag for each phase can be determined by any fault and system value. Only faulted phase will occur changes on phase shift and the other phase. That's all from me. Thank you.